Welcome to Lesson 3 of Microsoft Excel 2010. In this lesson, we will look at the Autofill command. Autofill allows you to automatically fill cells with preset data. For instance, if you need to add the days of the week to your spreadsheet, you can do so using Autofill. The fill corner is the small black square in the bottom right-hand corner of an active cell. So, if we look at cell F1, which I make active, the bottom right-hand corner is a little square, and when we hover around it, it changes to what we call a cross, which is called crosshairs. So that's my autofill pointer. Let's look at the example for days of the week. I will type in Monday in cell B3 and press the enter key. Thereafter, I go back to cell B3. B3 is now the active cell. If I hover around the bottom right hand corner, my pointer now changes to the crosshairs, and I will click and drag to the other cells that I want to automatically fill. So we have Monday in cell B3, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let us look at another example, and we'll look at the months of the year. If I type in January in cell B5, press the enter key, and go back and make cell B5 the active cell, go to the fill corner until my pointer changes to the crosshairs, click and drag this to the cells that you want to automatically fill in, and there you go. It will fill in January, February, March, April, May, June, right up to December. Another example is when it comes to dates. Suppose I want to type a date like 29th April 2014. I press the enter key. It automatically changes the way the cell looks or the date looks. I go back to the cell, move to the bottom right hand corner, my pointer will change to the crosshairs. I click and drag. Let me just quickly adjust the column width, and you will find that it will fill in the rest of the days: 29th April, 30th April, 1st May, 2nd May, 3rd May, and so on. Another interesting way to use the autofill command is if I want to type numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. I will type 1 in the first cell. I'm typing it in cell F5. Press the enter key. Type 2 in cell F6. I will now highlight these cells, go down, move my mouse pointer to the autofill command. Note that cells F5 and F6 are highlighted. That's called the cell range. Go to the bottom right hand corner of the cell range, click and drag that down to the other cells that I want to fill. And now you will notice that it will fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right up to the numbers that you want. So this comes in handy when you are typing in, or you want to type in a lot of numbers starting from 1 right up to 1000 or 2000 and so on. That brings us to the end of lesson 3.